Welcome to your Tarotscope, Leo. This reading is designed just for you to guide you through the energies and opportunities of Scorpio season, the 23rd of October to the 21st of November 2024. And remember, tarot isn't about predicting the future, it's about understanding the present and empowering you to navigate it with intention. I'm Fingal, a professional tarot reader and psychic and the founder of the Wellness Foundry. So let's dive into the cards and see what message the universe has for you, Leo. So whether you're looking for clarity, inspiration or a gentle reminder, there's always something to learn from the cards. So here's what you need to focus on throughout Scorpio season, Leo. So the first card we have is the Ten of Wands, the Five of Cups, and the Four of Swords. Thank goodness we've got the Four of Swords there, otherwise I'd have started to worry. Not a terrible season at all, but not without its challenges, unfortunately. I can say all of this and I'm a Leo myself, so it's not that I'm picking on you whatsoever. Again, it's going to be difficult not to take this personally, really. But we've got the Ten of Wands, the Lord of Oppression. Again, that's but it's something like, it's just a reminder, are we carrying an unnecessary load? Unnecessary load, that should be. Are we taking on too many responsibilities, too many burdens? What do we feel that we are responsible for that we're not actually, both on a personal level and around other people? Again, this isn't about shirking your responsibilities, it's not about not helping other people, but maybe there's a bit of a tendency to take on too much. Are we giving more than we are receiving? Where are the balances within our lives around that? Are we trying to spin too many plates? Are we trying to get too many things finished as we wrap up towards the end of the year? Are we frantically running around? What can be jettisoned? What can you let go of? What can you put down for a moment to stop you feeling like, oh, I'm having to do everything. It's too overwhelming. That's the danger of this card. The upshot is, obviously, there's lots of exciting things going on. There's probably lots to do. There's lots of projects going on. So it's not all doom and gloom. But just remember that we can't do everything. As much as us Leos like to think we can, we're very proud. We like to be kind of in charge and seemingly, no, I've got this. I'm cool, calm and collected. But are there points of assistance that we can be asking for? Could we share our load? I think is an important question, because otherwise we land up in the Lord of Sorrow, the Five of Cups, particularly the practitioner, the protagonist. There we go. Is looking at the cups that are spilt and ignoring the cups that are upright. So it's again a little bit of guarding against self-pity, dare I say it, or feeling sorry for yourself. Same thing, particularly when it's born from this. Nobody understands. I've got so much to do. I've got so much weight to bear. Are people asking you to bear that weight, or are we assuming, are we telling ourselves, no, I've got to do all of this? And then because we're perhaps spreading ourselves a little bit too thin, then we end up in this place of kind of exhaustion, but just kind of a bit worn out. That's the thing. It's also a big reminder, and a good tonic for all of this is gratitude. Focusing on what is working rather than what isn't working. So there is no point crying over spilt milk. If there are setbacks, if there are frustrations throughout the season, you just go, okay, it's fine. I just move on. I'm not going to get too het up about it. Don't take things personally, particularly as we go into the sting of Scorpion. It can be like that, these kind of sharpened emotions, and we have to remind ourselves. It's interesting, isn't it, that image of the Scorpion and the lion, and we'd often assume, well, the lion is ferocious, it's the king of the jungle, but actually the Scorpion can be a bit sneaky and kind of, there is a sting, and that can do quite a lot of damage. So it's just guarding against that damage. However, it's absolutely fine, because we've got the Four of Swords, which is the Lord of rest from strife, meditation, reflection, cool, calm and collected. What can you do just to bring yourself back to center? What can you do that will help you feel grounded? What is it you can do that will help you feel nurtured. As Leos, we typically like to spend a bit of time on our own to lick our wounds in private. That's absolutely fine. Make sure that you're finding that time to do it. Make sure that you're not giving all of the time so that you're left depleted, and that you're not finding those windows of time to kind of just take yourself off and recuperate. That's going to be really, really, really essential. So please don't take it personally. It's absolutely fine. It's a bit of a blip. It may very well be a lesson on, am I taking on too much? If so, what can be delayed, or what can I do that brings in the assistance and help of those that are around me? Okay, so I hope that helps. It's not all doom and gloom, I promise. I'm telling myself that as much as it is for you. But thank you so much, and best of luck for the Scorpio season. Bye for now.